In a world that never stops moving, relaxation has become something we squeeze between obligations, rather than something we intentionally create space for. But true self-care isn't a luxury, it's a form of maintenance for the body, the mind, and the soul. Today we explore two very different styles of unwinding, the familiar Western way and the deeply intentional Japanese way. Not to compare, not to judge, but to understand how each approach reveals something about the way we live, and the way we can live. 1. The Western way, comfort through escape. Imagine someone stepping into their home after a long day. They drop their bag, kick off their shoes, and head straight for the couch. A screen lights up the room, bright, colorful, distracting. Snacks are within reach. The volume turns up. The world fades out. This is the Western pattern of relaxation. Relief through distraction. It works instantly. Feels good in the moment. It gives the mind something else to focus on besides the stress of the day. But beneath the comfort, there's a deeper truth. This kind of relaxation often numbs us, rather than restores us. We escape the noise of the world by replacing it with more noise. 2. The Japanese way, peace through presence. Now picture a different rhythm. Someone enters their home, gently closes the door, and pauses. The lights are soft. The room is simple, uncluttered. They prepare a warm bath, letting the steam rise quietly. Or they step outside, sitting by a small garden, listening to the soft movements of nature. This is the Japanese style of relaxation. Calm through presence. No rushing. No distractions. Just a slow return to the self. Instead of numbing stress, this approach dissolves it. Instead of escaping, it restores. 3. Two worlds, one lesson. The contrast isn't about which culture is better. It's about understanding the intention behind the way we rest. Western relaxation gives comfort. Japanese relaxation gives clarity. Comfort helps us survive the day. Clarity helps us rebuild our strength for tomorrow. Each style reflects a different philosophy. One says, you've earned a break, turn off your mind. The other says, you deserve peace, come back to yourself. For the growth point, here is the heart of the message. Relaxation is not about zoning out, it's about tuning in. It's about reconnecting with your breath, your body, and the quiet part of you that often gets drowned out by noise. Growth begins when you learn to sit with yourself, not run from your thoughts. When you choose practices that heal, not just distract. When you understand that rest is not passive. Rest is a form of strength building. Your mind is not a machine. Your body is not built to run nonstop. And your spirit needs stillness to find direction again. Whether you unwind by watching your favorite show or by sinking into a warm bath, remember this. Relaxation isn't about the activity. It's about the quality of presence you bring into it. Ask yourself gently, do I relax to escape, or do I relax to reset? Choose the kind of rest that nourishes you. Choose the kind of peace that rebuilds you. Choose the kind of self-care that allows you to grow into a fuller, calmer, stronger version of yourself. Because the truth is simple. When you take care of your inner world, every part of your outer world improves.